Hello friends, today we are doing round 40 of star hearts and pineapples tablecloth. To begin the round, slip a stitch on the next stitch and into the space and chain 2, 1, 2, and this count as 1 double crochet, then double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet on the same space, and shell is made. Then chain 2, double crochet on the next double crochet, do it twice, that's 1, 2, then chain 3, single crochet on the next loop, then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet on the next loop 6 times. So that's 1, this is the second, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet on the next loop. This is the second, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet on the next loop, that's the third, chain 3, single crochet on the next loop, that's 4, chain 3, single crochet on the next loop, that's 5, chain 3, single crochet on the next loop, that's 6, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet on the next double crochet and do it twice, that's 1, 2, then chain 2, 1, 2, and shell on next shell, then shell on next shell, and I will mark the beginning of the repeating stitch, which is the second shell. So finish the shell, then chain 2, double crochet on the next double crochet twice, that's 1, 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next pineapple loop, chain 4, and single crochet on the next loop, and repeat this 6 times. So that's 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet on the next loop, that's 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet on the next loop, that's 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet on the next loop, that's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet on the next loop, that's 5, 1 2 3 4 single crochet on the next loop. That's 6. So chain 3, 1 2 3, and double crochet on the next double crochet twice. 1, this is the first, this is the second, then chain 2, 1 2, and shell on next shell. One, two, finish the shell, and so this is the end of the repeating stitch from shell to shell. So start at this shell here, go all the way into the next shell, and so you will repeat from shell to shell all around. So after the last shell of the round, then you slip stitch on the second chain of the beginning, chain 2. And so that's the end of round 40, and I'll see you on the next round 41.